Oh yeah, this sketchbook is actually sort of disintegrating, falling apart. Yeah. Okay. This is a monologue. Um, from this brand, Monologue. Sketchbook. Yep. It's a soft cover. I think they should have a hard cover, but this one is a soft one. Yeah. So yeah, next time when you want to buy this, I think you should go for the hard cover. Okay, this is the first page. Yeah, this is from Seeing. The sticker, and then yeah, this is I started this from January 2018. Yep, just a dog. Okay, first drawing of a comic, I guess. About I think this is around Chinese New Year. Yeah. And this is a small comic, a little comic that I drew. This is about the time when I had a car accident. A drunkard fella hit my car from behind. Yeah, and this is Chinese New Year 2018. This is a comic of my father-in-law. Yeah, and this is supposed to be a story of the car accident that I had, but I didn't finish it. This is something to do with Tati's launching her vitamins. Yeah, just a short comic. And some at that time I'm quite into skincare, so like AHA, BHA, about all the acids. Some random design of like mascara and comic of my sister. Some houseplant drawing. Some small comic. It's about the dog in Puchong is weird. There's some drawing of some dogs. This is I think we went to India in July and it's really hot. So yeah, that's one illustration. I don't think I've posted this. Yeah. This is unfinished illustration about the thing about packing light to travel around in India. This is also a comic about packing to go travel to India. Yeah. This is a gouache that I bought. Just testing it out on this paper, but I don't think this paper is it's actually coming off the paper texture, so it's not good with this paper gouache. Yeah, this is Steven Universe fan art. Some random character that I tried to develop, but well, didn't happen. Yeah, I don't know why I write down like shades of brown, trying to come up with some character, I think. And then like this is Finlay Fish. Of a fish character. And this is like innkeeper, maybe it's a bear. Bob might be the name, I don't know. This is the character I created, but I don't think the color is like, probably it's not a ginger cat. I'm not sure. Okay. There's also some drawing from my husband's niece. Yeah, it's some drawing that she did. Yes. And then I think this is around October already. This is mostly like idea for October. It's like chicken. Yeah, 2018 October. This is the exhausted. Precious, flowing. Yeah, I did some sketches here, but I think I finished the drawing on other watercolor paper, but not here. But this is all the sketches that I did. Yeah, I drew this and then I think I came back to color it like this year. So this is all for October. This is a dream that I had. I kept a whale in my apartment. Yeah, it's a weird dream. This is still October. This is still October. Yeah, Lorna, over the garden walls. Angular. This is the swollen, and yeah, I don't think I have any story about swollen, so I don't know what to draw. I think it's from the niece, drawing from my niece. Yeah, that's swollen. That's the finished piece, I think. Some weird fish character, and this should be bottle, so I draw this. Scorch. I drew Marceline. Time. And then this title is Breakable. I quite like this piece, but I think the proportion is a bit off. This one, I'm not sure what the title. Oh, this is called Drain. Yeah. I think this is expensive. And then Muddy. And then this is Chop. I think they're quite cute. And this is Prickly. So I drew a durian man in a suit. Yeah. And this is Stretch. This is Thunder. Yeah, I drew some of the initial sketch here, and then in the end I go for this. I think this one might be better. Might be a better idea, composition wise. And this is Gift. Yeah, the same character I drew. It's a cat in a suit. And then this is, I forgot what's the name. It's from the Netflix show. Okay, and then Jolt. This one. I quite like this pose, not pose. The drawing of this. And then this is Slice. Yeah, the drawing is quite rough. And this is from the zombie Korean drama Kingdom, I think. Is it called Kingdom? So I think this is actually 2019 already. Yeah, I didn't draw much in the sketchbook. This is, yeah, that time I have pain in this area, so I think it should be the curving syndrome. So there's a small comic that I draw about it. Wow, I still have the pain here. I think so that's why the drawing is a bit like, I just try to record whatever, however I can. Yeah. Yep, I probably overworked my right hand. And yeah, this 2019, and I did not participate. I think I only drew like maybe 3-4 days, and then I stopped because I couldn't draw at that time that much. Yeah, some of the injuries comic again. Not sure when is this, but yeah. Talking about minimalist and zero waste. This is, I think, should be 2020. The time I'm quite into colors, colored pencils. Yeah, this is the base is watercolor, and I color with color pencil after. This one is the same, watercolor base and color pencil. I wanted to draw something here, but I think I gave up. I already framed it, but I think it's for the gouache. Probably it's not a good idea to use gouache here with this paper. This is another piece of gouache, which is unfinished. And this is, yeah, another Netflix show. This is a color thumbs for my bigger piece of drawing. Yeah, it's just a thumbnails, like tryout testing. This is also 2020. It's a drawing of a guy with color pencil. And some random drawing. This is a self-portrait. This is 2020 Inktober. This is using crayon. This should be using Mangil water-soluble oil pastel. This one is color pencil, Prismacolor. Some sketches. And that's about it. Yep. Thank you for watching.